Did you know about this feature of try except block in Python? I see so many devs not using this correctly. This is immensely helpful in improving the readability of your Python code. Here we have an example of a divide function. It takes two inputs and prints division of those inputs. So here, if we have called the function and has the input 10 and 2, we run this and it gives the answer 5, as you can see. Now, if we replace 2 with, let's say, string a, now this should give us an error, type error, which we have output as enter valid number, as you can see. And similar way, if we replace string a with 0, now it should give us the other error, that is a 0 division error, and we have an output as please don't divide by 0. Now, to make it more readable, we can use else keyword. It only shows when try block is executed correctly, otherwise it won't. For instance, let's say we do this, this code ran successfully. So now if we run it, it will have an error because this is not correct. Now if we replace it by 2, then it should have that output, as you can see. Now in the same way, we have a finally keyword that runs no matter what. So let's say code run is completed, let's say. So now no matter what, the that line will always run. So if we have 0, and again we have this code run is completed. So that's how it helps in improving the readability of the code, and hope you got value from this video. Please like and subscribe for more such invaluable lessons.